Every person is different and so is their signature. The unique signatures are used for the verification of important documentation and legal transactions. Signatures are an inseparable part of human identity. Even in this rapidly changing world, offline signatures still have an important role in identifying people and verifying their credentials. No two persons can have the same handwriting. Similarly, they cannot have the same signature even if they have the same name. Signature forgery means someone copying another person's signature without permission for any kind of fraudulent activity. Because of the increasing number of frauds in every country, signature forgery has become a great matter of concern. It has become extremely important to detect forged signatures to avoid fraudulent activities that can harm not only individuals but also the reputation of any organization as well. If someone carefully copies your signature and uses it in banks or any other financial organization, it can create a big threat to your financial stability. One of the most common crimes that are related to forged signatures is using another person's credentials to use that person's financial documents and bank accounts. A person's properties or assets can also be endangered because of a forged signature. To detect forged signatures, proper and detailed checking, analysis, comparison, evaluation and verification needs to be done where the differences become clear between the original and forged signatures. This differentiation depends on different aspects such as shaky handwriting, signs of retouch, speed and smoothness of the curves, the pressure of the pen and the change in that pressure, letter proportions, letter formations, alignment, line quality, arrangement of the writing, pen lifts, etc. Every point is important here, as in most cases, fraudsters use their skills to copy a signature prominently. Skilled forgery cannot be detected easily and you will need an expert's opinion in these cases. For understanding all the aspects of a signature, proper techniques, knowledge and analysis skills are extremely important. Every person has a unique handwriting which automatically creates a difference in the static and dynamic aspects of a signature. Regardless of how much expertise a person uses to copy a signature, there has to be a loophole that cannot be avoided. You can share this video with others if you found this information useful. You can follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and information like this. The details are given in the description below. You can check them out. I will see you in my next video. Bye.